Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, we are going to talk about the latest AI agent that is released by OpenAI ChatGPT. So OpenAI just released something exciting for developer. It's called Codex, and it's basically an AI teammate that help you write and understand code right inside ChatGPT. It came out as a research preview on May 16, 2025, and it's designed to make software development faster and easier. So what exactly is Codex? Well, it's a tool made to handle real coding tasks. You can ask it to write new features, fix bugs, run tests, and even answer questions about your code. It's like having another developer on your team, expected it's powered by AI. Codex run on a special model called Codex 1, which is based on OpenAI's O3 model. It's trained to write clean, efficient code and follow instructions really well. The cool part is it's keep testing its own code until it's work. That's mean less time fixing the error and more time building cool stuffs. Everything it does in a secure cloud-based computer. It is completely cut off from the open internet, so it's safe to use. But it can connect to the GitHub, so it can read your code, understand how everything fits together, and even help you improve it. Using it's super easy. If you have access, you will see Codex in your ChatGPT slide bar. You just have to type what you want it to do it and click code for task or ask question if you have any question about your code base. It's keep a list of your current tasks so you can see what it's working on. You can also create a file called agent.md in your repo to give it more detail about your project. Now, what it can actually do? A lot. It can write features, fix bugs, answer questions, run code, write tests, draft pull requests, and even help with documentation. It can work on many tasks at once, and when it's finished, it give you a real code commit with the full logs of what it did. Right now, Codex is available to ChatGPT Pro, Enterprise, and Team users only. Access is pretty generous for now, but OpenAI plan to add limit later. You will also able to buy more credits if you need them. They are planning to bring it to Plus and education users too. At launch, it's only available on desktop, but support for web is coming soon. Codex also come with built-in safety features. It would not write harmful or malicious code, and the air-gapped environment keep it secure. Of course, like any other AI tool, it still can make mistake, especially with more complex bug or logic. So you should always double check its work. But overall, Codex is a big step forward to the future of software development. It's not just a chatbot that knows code, and it's a real assistant that keep you like that assist you in the building better software faster. So that's all for this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can consider to hit the like button and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.